Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? This is James, and today I'll be giving you an overview of my 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse GT. One of the few things I just did this summer was replace the fogged out headlights, replaced them with brand new clear headlights. It's got the Philips bright white bulbs in it, same thing for the fog lights. One of the fog lights never worked, so same thing, got the Philips bright white bulbs in the fog lights. This is a Minnesota car, and Minnesota is not perfect. This car has been driven in the winter a few times, but ever since I've owned it, which I've only owned it for a year, I kept the garage tapped. There's a minor scrapes and dings on the car, but I mean, you have to get really close to look at it. But other than that, it is a very clean car. Still got really good tread on the tires. It got the red painted calipers with the drilled and slotted rotors. Overall, not too bad. Got the V6 badge. This video is mainly going to be for what I've done for the stereo. It's running on the stock exhaust. A little bit of rust on the trunk lid, not terrible, but if I decide to want to keep it, I'm definitely going to have to get that fixed. Got the Eclipse license plate frames. Overall, not bad, especially for its age, and got the window stickers on the back, odd ones, and patina motion, and of course, can't really see it very well, but Mitsubishi. And so let me hop inside, we'll start it up, and I'll give you a sound demo. So now we're sitting inside the vehicle, and overall the interior is not bad for its age. It's got the fabric seats. Door panels are not bad. Definitely a little bit dusty, but overall it is not bad. This is a automatic transmission with the slapstick on the side, which is sometimes fun to use. I normally keep it in drive when I'm going on the road, but overall not bad. And then we turn to the back. We got 212 Hertz back there. I have to get the model number for you. Powered by a 2K Kenwood amp. And then for the speakers, we got all around Fosgate punches. So Fosgate punches in the rears, Fosgate punches in the doors, and a Fosgate punch in the center, which is kind of mangled up in there because you can't really fit it in there. But overall, this will give you a little demo on how it sounds, and we'll see how you like it. Also, currently right now, this car currently has 184,247 miles on it. Check engine free, there's no warning lights, no nothing, no airbags. Very clean car for its age and has how many miles. And then, of course, the microphone for Bluetooth calling sits right on my steering wheel. So that's really cool too. So I got a song on my playlist. I want to play it for a snippet. Just remember that every single speaker in this vehicle is powered by a Rockford Fosgate punch. There you go, there's a little demo there. I'll get some prices on how much I paid for subwoofers, the amp, and all the other wiring and all that. I'll put it in the video here, right here, in case you're wondering how much I paid for all of this. There's your little demo and a little bit of an overview, and of course, fuzzy dice. Gotta have them. Well, some states it may be illegal to have something and dangling in your rearview mirror, but I have it. I haven't had any trouble with it. So there's your little overview. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.